Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Morant Bay and we are giving you a tour of the historic Morant Bay courthouse. Now as you can see, it has been destroyed and it's too small to be rebuilt as a courthouse. So the government plans to rebuild it as a museum. Now Jamaica has a lot of old buildings, especially in Spanish Town and downtown Kingston. Some need to be demolished and new structures put up, but some need to be kept for historic value. This structure is one that should be kept for historic value. So I think it's an excellent idea to convert it into a museum. Now this courthouse was a site of the beginning of the Morant Bay Rebellion, and it was the Morant Bay Rebellion that put Jamaica on a path to independence. So this is a very historic building, and it's actually very sad to see the state it's in. Now, these things take time, but this building should have been restored a long time ago. It was destroyed by a fire, I think over 10-15 years ago. If anybody can remember when the fire occurred that destroyed this building, leave a comment in the section below. And with St. Thomas emerging as a place for investment in Jamaica, and with the talk of hotels going up in St. Thomas, this building could actually be very valuable as a museum because people would pay to tour it and get the history of what happened here. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on how far they have reached in restoring this building. The procurement process to engage the services of a consulting firm to design a museum at the old courthouse in Morant Bay, St. Thomas is on the way. Member of Parliament for St. Thomas made the disclosure during her contribution to the State of the Constituency debate in the House of Representatives. She informed that the tendering process, which was international, solicited bidders from Jamaica and overseas. The tender process closed on November 11, 2024. A technical committee that was formed to evaluate the bids is expected to complete the evaluation process by December 12, 2024, she stated. She added that the design component is expected to be completed by the end of the first quarter of the fiscal year 2025-26. Once the design is completed and approved, the project will advance to the second phase, which entails procuring construction management services. The residents of St. Thomas Eastern know that we are a government they can depend on, and I say to the residents, don't hide your light under a bushel. Hold it up and show the world that your light is shining, she stated. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.